What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your man Chazz Ellis once again answering the questions that you asked me. A question that I got was should a woman approach a man? That's something that people are really talking about a lot now. Because, times are changing and people are saying, is it that a man needs to stay in his role and approach women, or should women approach men? Or, what's the thing that should be happening? I say that's all based on you and what you're trying to get. I say yes, you should approach a man. If you're interested in somebody, in life you have to go for what you want. You can't necessarily expect everything you want in life to come to you. Because unfortunately, that whole good things come to those who wait isn't really true, because it's only what is left behind by those who hustle. So if you're not hustling to get what you want, you get the leftovers. And that's kind of the same thing in relationships. The reason why guys go up to girls is because we want the best girl. Not really we want the best girl. We want to be able to choose the top-notch woman. So we go up to a girl because we want to get the best one. Well, if you're in a situation where you're afraid to go up to guys and you refuse to try to talk to a guy, then that means that you're going to probably get what's left over most of the time. Now, you might luck up, and you might be the type of person who a lot of guys come up to you, and they're the type of guys that you want. Well, in that case, I wouldn't say go up and talk to guys, because there's really no reason for you to. But if you're in a situation where guys are not necessarily approaching you, or the walk of life that you're in doesn't necessarily leave an opening for a lot of guys to approach you, then I would say you got to take matters into your own hands. Sometimes you might be a really corporate person, and you might like somebody who works around you or in the same building or something of that nature. And you might need to talk to them because they may not really feel comfortable talking to you. Sometimes a guy may be like, well, I don't want this chick filing sexual harassment charges on me. Forget all that. So he may not want to talk to you for that reason, because he might like you but just feel like, well, I ain't trying to get messed up on my job. So that may be a situation where you have to approach him just to let him know that it's something that you're comfortable with and that you want. Unfortunately, when you just lay back all the time, you don't really take initiative, you kind of can attract jerks, because a lot of the jerks don't care whether you like them or not. They don't care what the situation is. They're the quickest to come up and try to talk to somebody. So what I would say is, yes, it's okay for a woman to go up and talk to a man, definitely. But you want to make sure that if you do make that initial contact, that he reciprocates, and then he starts making more effort after that. Don't keep chasing the dude. If you talk to the guy and you give him your number, let him call you. You did your part already. You went up and talked to him. You gave him your doggone number. If he doesn't call you, that's on him. So, yes, you can talk to the person. Yes, you can go up and make first contact, but don't start chasing. Hopefully, I was able to help you out. Once again, it's your man, Chazz Ellis. If you do want to get involved in any of the discussions that we're having right now, go to Ask Chazz Ellis on Facebook. Also, look out for the Chazz Ellis Project. It's coming out on April 1st. That's when you're going to start seeing the first scenes, and the website should be up by then. Hit that up, check it out. It's going to be dope. Also, if you know anybody that may need to see this video, please share it with them, because as a friend, the best thing you can do for somebody is share information that you got that you thought was valuable. If you didn't think the information was valuable, you probably shouldn't share it with them. That's not really... You know what? Share it with them anyway. But, yeah. Also, like and subscribe. Peace.